Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fry fish with little oil. First, select a good quality non-stick pan to prevent sticking and reduce the need for excess oil. Next, ensure your fish fillets are completely dry by patting them with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy exterior and helps the fish cook evenly. Finally, prepare your cooking area for a smooth frying process. Proper fish preparation is key to successful low-oil frying. Begin by seasoning your fish fillets with your favorite spices. Simple salt and pepper works wonderfully. For an extra crispy crust, lightly dredge the fish in a small amount of flour or cornstarch. This creates a barrier that helps achieve that golden brown finish with minimal oil. If you have thicker cuts, slice them into 1-inch portions for consistent cooking. Now let's get to the frying. Heat your chosen oil like olive or avocado oil in the non-stick pan over medium-high heat. You only need about 1/8 of an inch of oil. Once hot, carefully place the fish in the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown and flaky. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature, leading to soggy fish. After frying, transfer your beautiful, crispy fish to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. This helps maintain its crispiness and prevents it from becoming greasy. Serve your perfectly fried fish immediately with a squeeze of fresh lemon and your favorite side dishes. For those who love to plan ahead, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Enjoy your delicious, healthier fried fish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.